Windshield removal. Over time, your windshield protection film may take a beating, as it is a sacrificial shield meant to help protect your windshield from scratches, cracks, and chips. If the natural wear and tear on your windshield protection film begins to affect your visibility at any point, we recommend removing the film immediately and certainly before driving again. Your RockStopperz windshield protection film kit can be removed and a new kit can be reinstalled to continue providing protection with renewed optical clarity. To remove, move your windshield wipers to the open service position. Take your scraper blade and holder that was included with your original kit and wedge it under one corner of the film until you have lifted up enough film to grip with your hand. Use a little pressure and pull the film off of the windshield. Your film kit should remove cleanly. However, if there is any residue left behind, you can use a clean towel and some general purpose adhesive remover or isopropyl alcohol to remove. Once removed, you can install a new kit. Thanks for watching.